Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to actually create a triage system. Alright, so you are using ClickUp and you want to make a triage. So basically you can streamline your team's workflow by building an efficient triage system that can capture, prioritize and resolve issues quickly. So you basically can transform chaos into clarity with their powerful features. So let's check it out. So first of all, you need to set up your framework. Now, a framework is very important. Instead of starting with step one and moving through it and creating each section, creating a framework is the first thing to do. So establish your clear issue types. So bugs, feature requests, maintenance, and this should have corresponding severity and priority levels, which you can create. It also creates consistency across your team's decision-making process. Secondly, you need to document everything. So create a shared ClickUp document or a wiki that outlines your triage criteria. And basically this becomes your team's single source of truth for handling incoming issues. Then you build your structure. So you can set up a dedicated space or a folder in ClickUp specifically for triage tasks. This will keep issues organized and separate from ongoing project work. Then you need to deploy your ClickUp form to collect incoming issues with consistent formatting. And this will ensure that you capture all the necessary information from the start. Then, step two, once you've gotten your structure, you now need to prioritize, assign, and track your efficiency. Now, organize and categorize. You need to implement custom fields and labels to tag every issue by type, severity, and even priority level. This can create a filterable search system that actually scales with your team. Then you need to configure ClickUp's automations and their AI-assisted routing to assign issues to the right team member instantly. This will allow you to put whatever issue is coming in to the right person at the right time. Then you can visualize this with boards. You can integrate communication tools, and you can then monitor your progress. This means you need to review your triage dashboards regularly to keep track of resolution times, identify bottlenecks, and also refine your process continuously.